how to stop Spotify from sending you newsletters and notifications on your email. Okay, so navigate your way to spotify.com on your browser, log in. Once you've logged in, you want to scroll down and go to notification settings. Here, you can check underneath where it says email, you can check off all the information that you don't want Spotify to send to your email. Okay. And then click save. And it will tell you that all notifications have been saved. And now you'll receive no emails or limited emails from Spotify. And please do subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the videos, do like the videos and also share them to anyone who may benefit from it.